If you've lost access to your Mediant account and cannot use your email, there are still ways to recover it. Follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the Mediant login page. Go to the official Mediant website and navigate to the login page where you typically enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you don't have access to your email, select the option for recovery via phone number or security questions, if available. Enter the required information. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve receiving a code via SMS or answering security questions you set up previously. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to complete the recovery process. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Mediant account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Mediant's customer support for further assistance.